Hi, my name is Nadya Lutz, and I'm here with the second post about vagus nerve. Like you heard in the beginning, I'm really excited about this nerve. It goes behind your throat from your brainstem and attaches to all your organs. So it's an easy way to make a huge difference. And if you check out your scan on vitals, you might see that your cranial nerve 10 is down. Or if you see that your cortisol is up, or if you look on comprehensive, you can see stuff about vagal nerves. And there's also another thing that says vagal tone. When you're stressed, your vagus nerve is down. So we need to upregulate. Last time we talked about we talked about gargling, and I looked very attractive gargling on camera. Now we're going to talk about humming, and I love to use this with the inner voice. So if you're not familiar with inner voice, we're going to go ahead and I'm just going to press play, and I'm just going to say my name's Nadya Lutz, and I'm going to talk for about 10 seconds. It's going to propagate some beautiful tones, which will help with our healing. It helps with our emotions and our organs and everything. So there it is. It already propagated it. I'm just going to go ahead and listen to it. Press play. I'll turn it down so you can still hear me. If I were doing this on my own, I would probably have my bone conduction headphones in that it came with. I would just place it right over my bone. And we're trying to work on vagus nerve, and that's cranial nerve 10. And it lives right behind here. So humming helps to upregulate it. So I would try to hum to the main sound I hear. In general, the lower you go, the more activation that you get. But when you're trying to hum to a specific sound, since this is a balancing frequency, and if I look at my reports, my balancing color on this one is purple. So another thing I could do is grab my purple tuning fork, and I could place it here or on my throat and try to match that. If you don't have all the different tuning forks, you can go ahead and download an app, and that'll have it for you, because you can just put in the sharp or the whatever it is. It's really relaxing and soothing. You want to try to match either the inner voice sound or go as low as you can. You can also gently place your fingertips there, and you want to feel vibration. If you don't feel high vibration, try to go a little bit lower. Have fun with this.